We are outside. There's Kelly. Hey, Kelly, Kelly. Got kind of a lull before it starts snowing again. And we have, that is the south driveway. Kids went this way, I think. Oh, there they are. Let's go over here and say hi to them. You can see the driftage. The driveway is hopelessly plugged, but we'll wait. There's the kids. Say hi, guys. Hey, Mags. They're playing on the big drift. Come over here so you can see it. There's Neeks. Here's Jake working on a fort.
Hey, there's a path right there, Dad.
Yeah. This. Look at it. Look how deep it is. You can see where Jake is. You can see where those guys are. Isn't that something? Now you can see that it's starting to snow again. This time it's starting to shift around and come out of the north-northeast. And that's where the wind's coming from when we get the 40-mile-an-hour winds. There we are.